Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Al Bukhari. We are going to recite the book of faith, belief in Al Bukhari with the name of Allah. First hadith in this book or chapter, hadith number 8. Narrated Umar, Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, Islam is based on the following 5 principles. First, to testify that no one has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is Allah's apostle. Second principle, to offer the compulsory congregational prayers dutifully and perfectly. Third principle, to pay zakat, obligatory charity. And fourth principle, to perform Hajj, that is pilgrimage to Makkah. And five principle, to observe fast during the month of Ramadan. Hadith number 9. Narrated Abu Huraira, the Prophet ﷺ said, faith, belief, consists of more than 60 branches, that is part, and haya is a part of faith. Haya means, this term haya covers a large number of concepts which are to be taken together. Amongst them are self-respect, modesty, bashfulness, and scruple, etc. Hadith number 10. Narrated Abdullah bin Amr, the Prophet ﷺ said, a Muslim is the one who avoids harming Muslims with his tongue and hands, and a muhajir, emigrant, is the one who gives up all what Allah has forbidden. Hadith number 11. Narrated Abu Musa, some people asked Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, whose Islam is the best? Who is a very good Muslim? He replied, one who avoids harming the Muslims with his tongue and hands. Hadith number 12. Narrated Abdullah bin Amr, a man asked the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, what sort of deeds or what qualities of Islam are good? The Prophet ﷺ replied, to feed the poor and greet those whom you know and those whom you don't know. The Prophet, Hadith number 13, narrated Anas, the Prophet ﷺ said, no one of you will have faith till he wishes for his Muslim brother what he likes for himself. Hadith number 14, narrated Abu Huraira, Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, why him in whose hands my life is, no one of you will have faith till he loves me more than his father and his children. Hadith number 15, narrated Anas, the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, no one of you will have faith till he loves me more than his father, his children, and all mankind. Hadith number 16, narrated Anas, the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, whoever possesses the following 3 qualities will have the sweetness, delight of faith. The one to whom Allah and his apostle becomes dearer than anything else. Second, who loves a person and he loves him only for Allah's sake. Third quality, who hates to revert to atheism, disbelief, as he hates to be thrown into the fire. Hadith number 17, narrated Anas, the Prophet ﷺ said, love for the Ansar is a sign of faith, and hatred for the Ansar is a sign of hypocrisy. Hadith number 18, narrated Ubaidah bin As-Samit, who took part in the battle of Badr and was a Naqib, a person heading a group of 6 persons. On the night of Al-Aqaba pledge, Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, while a group of his companions were around him, severe allegiance to me for. Severe allegiance to me for. First, not to join anything in worship along with Allah. Number 2, not to steal. Number 3, not to commit illegal sexual intercourse. Number 4, not to kill your children. Number 5, not to cause an innocent person to spread such an accusation among people. Number 6, not to be disobedient when ordered to do good deed. The Prophet ﷺ added, whoever among you fulfills his pledge will be rewarded by Allah, and whoever indulges in any one of them except the ascription of partners to Allah and gets the punishment in this world, that punishment will be an expiation for that sin. And if one indulges in any of them and Allah conceals his sin, it's up to him. It's up to Allah to forgive or punish him in the hereafter. Hadith number 19, narrated Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, a time will come that the best property of a Muslim will be sheep, which he will take on the top of mountains and the places of rainfall, valleys, so as to flee with his religion from afflictions. Hadith number 20, narrated Aisha, whenever Allah's Apostle ﷺ ordered the Muslims to do something, he used to order them deeds which were easy for them to do according to their strength and endurance. They said, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ, we are not like you. Allah has forgiven your past and future sin. So Allah's Apostle ﷺ became angry and it was apparent on his face. He said, I am the most Allah fearing and know Allah better than all of you do. Hadith number 21, narrated Anas, the Prophet ﷺ said, whoever possesses the following 3 qualities will taste the sweetness of faith. Number 1, the one to whom Allah and his Apostle ﷺ become dearer than anything else. Second qualities, who loves a person and he loves him only for Allah's sake. 3 qualities, who hates to revert to disbelief, atheism, after Allah has saved him out from it, as he hates to be thrown in fire. Hadith number 22, narrated Abu Sa'id al-Khudri. The Prophet ﷺ said, when the people of paradise will enter paradise and the people of hell will go to hell, Allah will order those who have had faith equal to the weight of a grain of mustard seed to be taken out from hell. So they will be taken out, but by then they will be blackened, charred. Then they will be put in the river of Hayaran or Hayat life. The narrator is in doubt as to which is the right term, and they will revive like a grain that grows near the bank of a flood channel. Don't you see that it comes out yellow and twisted? Hadith number 23, narrated Abu Sayyid al-Khudri, Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, while I was sleeping, I saw in a dream some people wearing shirts of which some were reaching up to the breasts only, while others were even shorter than that. Umar bin al-Khattab was seen bearing a shirt that he was dragging. The pupil asked, how did you interpret it? What is its interpretation, O Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? He, the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, replied, it is the religion. Hadith number 24, narrated Abdullah bin Umar, on Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam passed by an Ansari man who was admonishing to his brother regarding Haya. On that, Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, leave him, as Haya is a part of faith. Hadith number 25, narrated Ibn Umar, Allah's Apostle ﷺ said, I have been ordered by Allah to fight against the people until they testify that no one has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and the Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is Allah's apostle, and offer the prayers perfectly and give the obligatory charity. So if they perform that, then they save their lives and property from me except for Islamic laws, and then their reckoning will be done by Allah.